Hey everyone, this is Akanksha from Requestly, and today we are going to demonstrate one of our most highly anticipated feature, shared workspace. So here's how you can work with your teammates in a shared workspace. Let's get started. So as you can see, we are currently in my private workspace. I'm going to go ahead and create a new workspace. Let's call it demo space. Adding a new teammate. My teammate has been added. Switching to his account. We can see he's been added in my shared workspace. Coming back to my private workspace, I'm going to create a new modify headers rule. Let's call it private workspace. I'm going to add a new request header. Private. Create and save. Let's go to the URL. And it's working. Coming back to my app, I'm going to switch to my demo space. And I'm going to create a similar rule. Let's call it shared workspace. Now switching to my teammates account. They are already in the demo space and the rule is there for them. And let's see. Yes, the rule is working perfectly for them. Now let's add a modification. The changes made by my teammate can be seen here and they're reflected in the URL as well. So as you can see, the rule that I created were reflecting perfectly in my teammate's account, and the modifications that he made to my rule were also reflecting in my account. So that's it for shared workspace. You can create a company-wide repository and store all your relevant rules in a shared space. Right now, all the members in shared workspace can modify the rules, but very soon, we will provide support for access control in shared workspaces. Hope this was helpful. You can provide any feedback to us on GitHub issue link mentioned in the description below. Till then, happy collaborating.